Hi guys, this video is about village in Ukraine, how it lives, how it looks, it's breathtaking, and how it parties. This is how it survives during a hard time, easy time, anytime. This is how they party, and I party with them together. Guarding your mother. Dайте такі. You also see the cutest pets, the cutest livestock, puppies. So many of them, cats turning from 1 to 3, cows, and lots of cool stuff. There was a center of culture that organized a day of celebration for the elderly. Of course, it's in the wake of COVID, it was questionable, but anyway, it was a show of talent of children, grandchildren for their grandparents. Grandparents were treated with sandwiches and candy and some wine, and everyone enjoyed these festive performances. At the end, we all danced. So I will assure you, and I love this about southern Ukraine, the relaxed attitude and fun way to socialize. The beauty is breathtaking, it's amazing, and now I understand where Ukrainian poets and painters went and how they got inspired from these skies, from these lakes and greens and the life around them. The entire room was dancing and singing. Enjoy it. I wanted to share this moment with you. There's a lot to see about Ukraine. Ukraine has got character, it's got survival skills, and it's beautiful. It's amazing. And you can just come to this village where the Pink Lake is located, just for a peace of mind and just a different lifestyle. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos in the future. Bye.
Who's happy to see me? Who's happy to see me? Who is happy to see me? There was a police that watched to make sure that this is not stolen, because it was used for fire and construction. This plant, we call it kamysh, in Kherson Oblast, because there historically were no trees.